Whatever battle we have raging inside us, we always have a choice.
You knew this was coming, Pete.
We have to forgive each other, or everything we ever were will mean nothing.
There was a time when a pirate was free to make his own way in the world. But our time is coming to an end.
It would never have worked out between us.
Keep telling yourself that, darling.
Hogwarts has been chosen to host a legendary event, the Tri-Wizard Tournament. And now, the champion selection. Victor Krupp, Fleur Delcourt, Cedric Diggory, Harry Potter! The Dark Lord shall rise again.
Is it Voldemort?
Let's see who's behind the mask.
On March 14th,
I want that Clover destroyed.
I will devour Clover. Then I regurgitate it. Then I'm gonna devour it second time.
Even though you can't hear or see them at all?
A person's a person, no matter how small.
That's my code, my motto. It's just a straight plummet to certain death.
Dr. Seuss's Horton Hears a Who.